Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Gmat Whiteboard is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious Gmat aspirant, offering a tangible and interactive way to practice complex problems, visualize data, and refine your test-taking strategies away from the distractions of a computer screen. This dedicated space allows for uninterrupted problem solving, making it easier to simulate the actual test environment and build the muscle memory needed for success. Ultimately, a good whiteboard can significantly boost your confidence and performance on test day. Number 5. VIZ-PRO 72 by 40-inch Magnetic Dry Erase Board. Introducing the VIZ-PRO 72 by 40-inch Magnetic Dry Erase Board. It's the perfect large writing surface for your school, office, or home needs. Enjoy a smooth and durable magnetic writing surface that's easy to clean. All your notes and drawings will wipe away effortlessly with dry erase markers. This board features a stylish silver aluminum frame with ABS corners for a modern look. The corners are designed for secure screw fixing. Setting it up is a breeze with the included fixing kits. You can mount it either vertically or horizontally to best suit your space. Everything you need is included. The package comes with all necessary fixing kits and a convenient pen tray to keep your markers handy. What we like. This is a large, magnetic whiteboard designed for significant writing space. Its durable aluminum frame ensures longevity. If you need a substantial board for a classroom, office, or a busy home, and value a robust build, this is an excellent choice for extensive brainstorming or presentations. What people say. The whiteboard is a good size for studying and fits perfectly on my desk. It's very easy to clean and doesn't leave any ghosting, even after using dry erase markers for a while. The included markers and eraser are also good quality and work well with the board. Number 4. AFMAT Whiteboard Sticker WS002. Introducing the AFMAT Whiteboard Sticker, a convenient and versatile solution for your writing and presentation needs. This large roll provides ample space for your ideas. Crafted from premium PET material with a strong adhesive, it ensures a secure fit without easily falling off. You can rely on its durability for long-term use. Enjoy a clean writing surface that wipes away easily, even after months of use. It leaves no residue, making it a superior alternative to traditional whiteboards. Applying it is a breeze with its peel and stick design. For best results, we recommend 2 people to ensure a smooth, bubble-free application on any clean surface. This versatile film can be used as a traditional whiteboard, a projector screen, or cut into smaller pieces for individual desks. It's perfect for offices, classrooms, and brainstorming sessions. Get started right away with the included 6 markers, offering an impressive writing distance for extended use. What we like. This is a large, peel and stick whiteboard roll that leaves no residue. It's made from a premium PET material. If you're looking for a flexible, space-saving alternative to traditional whiteboards that can be applied to any smooth surface and removed cleanly, this is ideal for temporary setups or frequent redecoration. What people say. This whiteboard is a great tool for Gmat preparation, offering ample space to work through practice problems and review concepts. The surface is smooth and easy to write on, and the included markers erase cleanly without leaving any residue. It's a durable and well-made product that has significantly improved my study sessions. Number 3. Mr. Pen Small Dry Erase Lapboard 9 by 12. Introducing the Mr. Pen Small Dry Erase Lapboard, a versatile tool for learning and creativity. It's perfect for students of all ages. This package comes with 3 essential dry erase markers in black, blue, and red. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. Crafted to be both sturdy and lightweight, this board is easy to handle and use anywhere. It works seamlessly with most dry erase markers and pens. Its ideal size makes it perfect for students to use at their desks. It's designed to encourage active participation in the classroom. Featuring a dual-sided coating, it can be easily wiped clean for repeated use. This makes it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. Whether at home, in a dorm room, classroom, or office, this portable whiteboard is an excellent addition. It's suitable for a wide range of applications. What we like. This is a small, double-sided, portable lapboard. It's lightweight and perfect for individual use. If you're a student, teacher, or anyone who needs a personal writing surface for quick notes, practice, or interactive learning at a desk or on the go, this compact option is highly convenient. What people say. The whiteboard is a great size for studying and fits perfectly on my desk. I love how smooth the writing surface is, making it easy to erase and rewrite problems. The included markers and eraser are convenient and work well with the board. Number 2. Small self-adhesive whiteboard sticker 12x18. Never let a great idea slip away. This compact whiteboard sticker fits perfectly in tight spaces, transforming wasted gaps into a functional spot for your grocery lists or daily reminders. Experience premium quality with a surface that resists staining and erasing shadows, even after prolonged use. You can write, wipe, and rewrite your to-do lists endlessly without the mess. This is a self-adhesive sticker with a strong backing designed to stay permanently on smooth surfaces. It's perfect for non-magnetic surfaces like wooden cupboard doors where traditional magnets won't work. Turn your cabinet door into a mini gallery. The internal layer allows it to hold lightweight magnets, perfect for pinning up recipes, photos, or appointment cards. Tailor it to your life. The grid-lined backing makes it easy to cut into smaller shapes for storage bins or desk edges. Ensure a smooth application by laying it flat before peeling. What we like. This is a compact, magnet-receptive whiteboard sticker with a zero ghosting guarantee. It has a strong adhesive backing. If you need a small, organizational tool for tight spaces like kitchen cabinets or lockers, and want to display lightweight magnets along with writing notes, this is a great, versatile solution. What people say. The whiteboard is a good size for studying and fits perfectly on my desk. It's very easy to clean and doesn't leave any ghosting, even after using dry erase markers for a while. The included markers and eraser are also good quality and work well with the board. Number 1. Mr. Pen Small Dry Erase Board 11x14. Introducing the Mr. Pen Small Dry Erase Board, an 11x14 inch essential for your home, office, or classroom. It's perfect for students and professionals alike. This set comes with everything you need, including a 14x11 inch presentation board and a black dry erase marker with a magnetic cap. Installation hardware is also provided for your convenience. It's more than just a writing surface, it's also a magnetic bulletin board. The premium surface is durable, stain-resistant, and ghost-free, complemented by a classic black aluminum frame. This board offers a sustainable way to learn and work. You can write, wipe, and reuse it endlessly, minimizing waste. Its smooth surface makes writing a pleasure. Designed for both durability and portability, this magnetic dry eraser is easy to move around or hang on the wall. Its lightweight construction and convenient handle make it simple to transport. This board is an excellent tool for homeschooling, teaching, managing schedules, or making presentations. Its versatility makes it suitable for numerous applications. What we like. This is a magnetic whiteboard with a sleek aluminum frame and a compact size. It's designed for multipurpose use and is resistant to staining. If you need a small, professional-looking magnetic board for your home office, classroom, or for tracking schedules and to-do lists, this offers both functionality and a clean aesthetic. What people say. The whiteboard is a good size for studying and fits well on my desk. It's easy to erase, and the markers write smoothly on the surface. The included markers and eraser are convenient and work well with the board. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.